See, everyone just see how Ajinkya is accessing the server. Okay, so in the same way, when you practice, you need to access the server in the same way. Okay. Nilesh, Neha, Bharat. And here you click on don't ask me again. Just tick mark that, yeah. And then click on yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Just a minute. I will just we will just complete this part. Okay. See, now yesterday, like I told you, right? The installation will take another half an hour, and we were around 9 p.m. So the message is there that this installation is completed. Okay. So if you see here, execution of this has been completed successfully. Then you need to click on OK. Yeah, click on OK, Ajinkya.
Yes.
Yeah, and just close this file. Yeah, this window also. Yeah.
Okay.
And now basically you can before that, can you just open or click on SAP Management Console?
Sir, this?
Yeah, right. So this SAP Management Console, yes, click on OK. Is created after installation. Okay, if you can just drop down this SAP Systems. Left, drop down, yes. Drop down that. Yeah, still drop down one more. Yeah. So see, this is a BID server which we did yesterday. The installation of BID. Okay, that is BI server for development. Okay, so this is a development server for BI system. Okay, click on process list. Here it is. Yeah, process list under GI. Yes, that's it. Yeah. So everything is green over here. The first is message server, the second is dispatcher plus work, and last is the gateway server. Okay. So now Ajinkya will install BIQ in the same way how we did yesterday. Okay. So now you can minimize this. Okay. And you can start with the BIQ installation. Okay. Parallelly, if you can open the document also, and can you just make this screen smaller so that you can you can open the other screen also. Yeah, the document file, that means. Yeah. So now you can start with the installation. You can refer the document because I don't think so immediately you will be able to. Yeah, so you can refer the document, no problem. So see here, basically you need to start with this. Yeah, SAP Inst. Okay. So you take your time, and even I think Nilesh, Neha, and Bharat, please, like you also get included in this, and you can help Ajinkya wherever Ajinkya needs help. Okay, so do it as a teamwork, and I will just monitor if you are unable to do it, I can just help you out. Okay, so yes, yes, Ajinkya, you can start.
Okay. Okay, first of all, we will go into D drive. Then downloads, installation master. Okay, we will run this as an administrator. Okay. Yes. Now EP1, ABAP type. This central, yes.
So anyone has any questions, you can stop Ajinkya, and then yeah, we can discuss that part. Okay.
Yes.
Hello, but we have to install BIQ, no?
Yeah.
It
So
is
now,
in
yeah,
the
we have to install BIQ. That is
quality.
quality system for BI.
quality.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then same send.
Yeah, it will be the same. The options will be same. Okay.
Okay.
Only the configuration part, instead of BID, it will be BIQ.
BIQ.
So now next. Okay, here we are going for a custom one.
See,
Next.
why we give custom? Because we need to give the parameters like according to our requirement. Okay. So that's the reason we are giving custom.
So
If we-
parameters means
like parameters means like SID,
okay.
then we need to give the path. All that stuff we are giving manually, right? If
Yes.
if we select typical, it will take by default. So that's the reason we give custom.
Okay. So now Java directory. Yes, in C drive, program files. Java. C drive. Java. Sir, this file only, no?
Yeah, you can refer the document, yeah, because the document is prepared by one of the student. It is clearly mentioned. Yeah, same.
So now next. Okay.
I think Viswas, you also have joined the call, right?
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Yeah,
Hello?
here basically you need to give the SAP SID, that is BIQ.
BIQ, yes.
Yeah, in capital.
So next Unicode, yes.
The Unicode is nothing but the multiple language support. Okay.
Yeah.
So SAP applications support multiple language.
So training server, so no domain.
Yeah, that's fine.
Next. Password. Capital I India 1234. No?
1, 2, 3. Yeah,
1,
I
2, 3,
capital.
okay.
So we keep this master password same like in every system so that nobody like forget. Okay, that's the reason.
Okay. Next. Okay. Yes. Local installation.
Yeah, as this is a training server, that's the reason we use local installation. Otherwise, we use domain of current user. Okay, so for training server, we always use local installation.
Okay, same password, right?
Yeah, password. See here, actually, this is one of the interview questions. Like when you do the SAP installation, so there are two users created at operating system level. Okay. So what are the two users? So this is the interview question asked when you say that you have done the installation. Okay. So that is BIQ is nothing but SID. It is called SID, system identification. So SID ADM is one of the user. Okay, which is this SID ADM, and other is SAP service SID. So this is the answer for this. Okay.
So next.